Today I'm gonna... Can you focus on me? Whatever. Oh my god. Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a tutorial on this makeup look right here, which literally just screams fall to me. You have your pumpkin shades, you have your pumpkin shades, your olive shades, some winged liner, and a matte lip. I am just feeling this look. I'm here for it. Also, before we get started with today's video, if you aren't already, please subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And with that being said, let's jump into today's video. Dipping into my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Creamsicle, which is this shade right here, and I am going to work that into my transition area to start to build that gradient effect for this smoky eye. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Pukey, which is this shade right here, and I am going to work that a little bit tighter into my crease. I am going to pick up my Kylie Cosmetics cream eyeshadow. This is in the shade Camo. It is this beautiful olive green shade. I am going to start to put this onto the outer corner just to build a base for this green shade that I'm going to be putting on. I'm just going to use my finger for this just because it's easiest, and I am going to pat this onto my outer corner right here, very slowly bringing it into towards the lid, but not bringing it in too far, and then just stopping right to where my crease starts. Now I'm going to dip into my Master Palette by Mario, which is the collaboration that Anastasia Beverly Hills did with Makeup by Mario, and I'm going to be taking the shade Bronx, and I am going to layer that over top of that outer corner shade. I'm also just going to slowly bring this in towards my crease, just being careful not to bring it too far up into that crease area because I don't want it to mix with that transition shade. Now I'm going to dip back into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Enchanted, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to focus this onto the very outer corner. Now I'm going to be picking up my Morphe 3502 palette. This is like literally the perfect palette for fall because, I mean, just look at this. My black shadow broke, so it kind of cracked over the shadows. That's why they look a little bit weird. But I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, this beautiful orangey pumpkin shade, and I am going to work that onto my lid up until the green shade that we have, and I'm just going to focus on packing on the color until I'm happy with the pigmentation. So now I'm going to line some tape onto my outer corner and go in with my Morphe gel liner in the shade Slate, and I am going to create a wing with this. So then I'm going to take this tape off, and then I'm going to pick up some black shadow and go in and smudge this line out just to create a more smoky feel to this look. So I'm just going to be taking my black shadow from my Jaclyn Hill palette right here. I am just going to smudge this out a little bit right in here. Just like that. For mascara today, I'm going to be using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I forgot how much I love this stuff. I am going to tightline my upper waterline with some black liner. For today, I will be using my Morphe gel liner. I mean, not my gel liner, I just used that. My Morphe pencil liner in the shade Dark Room. For lashes today, I'm going to be using one of my ultimate favorite pair of lashes. These are the Chic lashes in the style Fierce. If you can see, they have a very nice cat eye effect to them because they taper from the inner corner to the outer corner. I always reach for these if I don't know what lash style to wear, or I just know that I want my eyes to look very flirty and just very cat eye. What I love about these Chic lashes is that they are mink, so they do last a long time, and if you guys are interested in trying out any of their styles, you can use the code BROOK20 at checkout and you can save 20%. I'm going to be picking up my Lipstick Queen eyeliner in the shade Depth of Field. It is this beautiful green shade, and I am going to put this into my lower waterline. Then I'm going to be taking that orange shade from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to use this to blend out this liner. So now I'm going to be dipping back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be picking up the shade Beam, and I'm going to put that onto my brow bone and my inner corner. First, I'm just going to line my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. For lips today, I'm going to be picking up my Dose of Colors Liquid Lip in the shade Old Flame. Alright you guys, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am definitely feeling this look. It is super fall and it's just right up my alley. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. Also, feel free to leave comments down below on what kinds of videos you would like to see from me next. Also, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. It means so much to me. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.